Guys, today I am going to show you a business farm. uh, they grow the farm grow this type of so cute pigs in the farm. By selling them in the market they earn much money too. So beautiful pigs are here, male pigs, female pigs. Actually the farm grow them for meat in the market. See, so beautiful pigs are here. Black pigs, white pigs. In this way the farmer can earn much money by selling them. Okay, I just want to say, please, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and like it. We'll give you much more information about so many different topic. So I hardly request you, please subscribe our channel, don't forget. Okay, and this is a beautiful farm, but it is morning, so they didn't clean the pig's house like this. Yes, but after some time they will clean this all area and make it very clean too. Yeah. So you can see a very beautiful farm like this. And if you want to earn money by keeping pigs like this, and you can do at your own place too and earn much money. Generally in the public, people like to eat meat of beef or pig. They feel so tasty. Yeah, and they like it to eat. So if you want to earn much money, then you can keep the pigs in your farm too like this. Okay, keep watching us and visit our channel and subscribe it. We'll give you much more information about so many topics. Thank you for watching us. Thank you very much.